what I come to talk about, man, you know what I'm saying, is this thing that's just going around, man, DJ Khaled, he's a what you call it, they're saying he claiming that he's a culture vulture and all these, BS and all that stuff. Listen, my people. Listen, man. Let me put my glasses. Let me take off my glasses. Because, people will say, yo, look at him having on his glasses, hyping up. But anyway, not knowing that I'm a blind man, that's my tested glasses. So, yeah, I just want to say greetings to the person who just log on the live. Hope you are doing amazing. I just wake up, man. Watch the face. Now watch the face. Still I give God thanks. But, no, on a serious note, though. DJ Khaled, big up yourself. Big up yourself, DJ Khaled, man. Big up yourself, yo. You know what I'm saying? Whether or not DJ Khaled are they quote or they claim he's a culture vulture. And I don't see that. You know what I'm saying? I don't see him doing that. You see, the thing about it, people is just bad man. It no matter what you do or how you do it, you know what I'm saying? People will bad mind you. You understand? What he did for dancehall, is a great thing. Bringing all the icons them together is an awesome thing. You know what I'm saying? Not just for the individual, because one, it brings unity among them. You understand? With all the differences that they had. You know what I'm saying? Whether or not if it's fake, I don't care. We promote unity, we promote love, you understand? And it's going to be good for dancehall. You understand? At the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? I understand the point where you're coming from. But at the end of the day, everybody's going to benefit. You know what I'm saying? It's financially, they're going to benefit. You know what I'm saying? And for the culture, it's beneficial. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know what a big uproar for. You know what I'm saying? It just don't make no sense. You know what I'm saying? It's too much negative. People just negative. Yeah, man. Yo, blessings.